Hey everyone, welcome to week 5 of A Hen's Guide to Hatching and Raising Chicks. We have our Salmon Faverolles Favs, and she has hatched 6 baby chicks. They're about a week and a half, 2 weeks old. They're doing fantastic. And we're gonna do something fun today. Because the weather has gotten warm out, and we've actually had a live stream set up in here so that we can see the babies aren't spending all of their time tucked up underneath her for warmth anymore. They're actually out and about exploring the nest box. We're gonna actually, for the first time, open up the nest box door and let them come down the ramp and go ahead and free range with her. No, I've closed everything up so none of our other 20 chickens can interact with them, but it's warm enough and the babies are showing enough exploratory behavior that I think it's gonna be just awesome. So I'm really excited to give them the chance to do this. As far as our little chicks go, you can see they're already starting to get some wing feathers and some tail feathers. They're just adorable. They still need mom's warmth, and they definitely cuddle up underneath her and have even started practicing roosting behavior by jumping up and sitting on her back, which is so cute. But because it's warm enough, we know that you can see they're not all huddled underneath mom. They're out exploring and jumping around. Today's a great day to introduce them to the rest of the world. I'm gonna go ahead and open the ramp here. And we'll see if mom goes down, and if, oh, they are. And we'll see if the babies go with her. Oh, yes. Oh, what a good mom. Look at her looking. Yep, there they are. It'll be interesting to see if through her calls she can encourage them out. Yeah, oh.
Someone's on her back. That's how you do it.
She's calling them. I can also put them down.
You want to try it?
Yeah, here you go. Here.
Get started.
Yeah.
And mom.
Yay! And obviously that's chick feed that we have in there. Oh, look at the way she tells them. Look at how tiny Tiger is. I wanted give mom a chance to get out of the nest box, get a good dust bath in, get some walking around time. This is just great. It's going to be interesting to see if she leads them back up the ramp when it's time for everybody to go take a nice warm nap together, or if she attempts to kind of hunker down with them down here in this open run. It's certainly warm enough for them to stay down here and snuggle up underneath her. And so I'll be keeping a close eye to see if we should put them back up or let them just kind of spend the day zooming around and huddling underneath mom down here instead. This is so wonderful. Everybody is out dust bathing. And if they want, they can dust bathe under Favs for extra warmth. She's sitting down on the ground rather than up on the roosting bar. Such a good mom. And her babies have tucked themselves all over for dust bathing. Look at how cute they are. It's another reason I love rice hulls. You can really scoop them right. Oh, look at all the babies. She's staying nice and low on the ground in case they want to snuggle in for some extra warmth. But it's so warm out today, even our littlest Tiger here is just hanging out. Stick with us for week 6 of A Hen's Guide of Hatching and Raising Chicks. I can't wait to see these 6 babies 1 week older.